have to build, man.
We go under this light.
Yo, I'm the most expensive and righteous jelly in the world right now, you know. I know see the Crocus Bag Farmer, it's Rastafari, so you know what I say. Sometimes them come through with some competition for really can show a real intelligence by your way you articulate yourself, you know. You can recapitulate what we do every day. Because I am real. I deal with it. I don't act. How do you? I'm in a competition, my lord. A competition is the first thing. Anything where you see me I do, just make me do it. Anything when you do, you notice I make you do it. Don't play with the thing, don't ramp with the thing. Log on. GoFundMe.com. The Jamaican International Cultivator, the mission is real. You can see and you can hear and you can feel. Alright. We save the people them and feed them everywhere we go. With natural things. Food, herbs, spices, straight out of yard. We are flying in and out abroad. Don't play with the thing, ramp with the thing. See? Yeah, so you'll beat that one, yeah?
I pay me just take my one, you know.
Yeah.
Oh.
All that there, my family.
You can't see the man.
We don't play with it, man. Can't see that, my family, man. What do you want? We don't play with it. What you say? You want one? You need one?
Leave me a soldier.
You want one? How are you doing? Yeah, me a clean up, me a clean. And you think that me not smart, me a take a big one. You want one? Give me the key.
Ready,
Yo, the machine can't fly. Yo! You see?
Make sure you put it in the garbage.
It's a fly, man.
No,
Mad.
No, I won't.
Watch how me clean up myself, people.
Never even said thank you. You just thought you was insane.
Now hurry. Don't worry, everything Chris and Curry.
I'm not trying.
I'm going to say we can't display my country next week. You don't like that thing, yeah?
No, it's
like
not.
it.
That's your leg on top of my leg. It hurts.
What? Alright, people. Send in the money. Don't play with the thing.
Papi.
You think me ramp with it? More bring in a tractor and give people them. By December. Log on, YouTube. Rastafari and soldier. Log on. See them? Nice jelly coconut. GoFundMe.com. We don't play with the thing. Jamaican International Cultivator. We need $1 million by December. Yeah. We have it.
No, I didn't get no ticket.
We don't skin teeth. I'm telling you, say mission real, I don't think it's some joke thing.